Did y'all watch the video of the black lady who was dressed as an enslaved housemaid in 2025? I don't know whether she was housekeeper, the nanny, or the dog walker. Either way, that uniform was not it. Wasn't appropriate. And then the person who was recording it in the background making comments talking about something, hope that's enough money. Oof, I hope it's worth it. Mind you, there's other people outside of him. You can hear chitter chattering in the background. And no one thought to say nothing. Just recording for content and likes and views. Okay. And then I'm assuming she probably felt the camera or felt him or heard the comments, whatever. She turns and it's a quick interaction of, and she keeps going. So I said, hold on, that's too quick. Let me rewind that back and watch it again. The lights are on and no one's home. We do not know what the situation is, but that lady looks like the lights are on and no one's home. To see that in, I'm assuming Pennsylvania is where his location was, in the middle of the suburbs in 2025. That's not it. This not it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Trending Pulse Worldwide, where we talk about trending topics. If you're new here, my name is Amy and you're welcome to the channel. Kindly consider subscribing so that you don't miss out on any trending stories. Now, there's a video making rounds online and people are stunned. It shows a black woman dressed like during those days of slavery. And she's not just dressed like a maid, but straight up like she walked out of an 1800s plantation scene. You get me? And she seems calmly playing with and watching over a white child, and the whole thing looks innocent until you look at what she's wearing. And it's not just a simple uniform or some random outfit. It's a long, dull, outdated dress with an apron and a headscarf. The kind of thing Harriet Tubman might have worn while leading people to freedom. And this is happening in 2025. Yeah, that's what shocked people. The fact that someone, especially a black woman, would be dressed like that in modern day America. And not in a movie or historical reenactment. This definitely has people asking real questions. Is this a joke? Was she forced to wear that? Or worse, is this still happening behind closed doors? So let's check out what people are saying about this entire story. Then I'll be back and you can break it down because people have a lot of questions.
What in the hell is that lady dressed like Harriet Tubman and them? What in the 12 years a slave is going on? I think he's in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, from what I gathered looking through his profile. There is no way on God's green earth in 2025 there is a melanin-rich black woman dressed like a filthy tending to a little clear child. There's no way I could have saw her and not run up on her and ask her, one, are you okay? Where you from? Because she looked like she's probably not even Black American. Did somebody purchase her? That don't look right to me. What about y'all? Is it just me? Because why is she dressed like that? Something is going on. I'm flabbergasted. What the helly? I hope she's okay. I would have been like, where you from? Is this a job? Are you cosplaying?
Have you ever seen something that... I just seen something so triggering. I put my hair up in a bonnet because I didn't have nobody to hold my mules, so I had to put my hair in a bonnet. But have you guys seen the black lady like dressed as a maid? She got the little girl and she got the dog on her leash, and she know people looking at her. Do y'all think that maybe that somebody should do a wellness check, like find out where she went? Is this like a get out situation? It's definitely giving get out. It's definitely giving get out. And then somebody said that, oh, she probably Amish, and then they like, well, the kid's not dressed, the little girl not dressed Amishly. Or Amish, I'm sorry, no need to, I'm not disrespecting you guys, but Amishly, Amish, however you say it. But it's definitely like the vibe I got was like some get out stuff.
Now, I know y'all done seen this morning. Can anybody, Tell me why we got sis over here dressed like she just hopped off the plantation. Actually, she's dressed like she's still on the plantation. What is going on? We got this child on a cellular device, so we can't say that this woman isn't aware that it's the year 2025. Listen, I need somebody to do a wellness check on our good sis here, because what is really going on? This can't be their uniform. Because I know she didn't choose to put this on. I know she didn't wake up this morning and choose this out her wardrobe to wear to work to nanny for a white child in the year 2025. Somebody in comments said I would have yelled at, "You know we free, right?" Because what's really happening? The man recording didn't say nothing to her. He just kept on eyeballing and saying, what is going on? What's really happening? Which is what I want to know. What we all want to know. Somebody check on this woman, please. Because this really don't look optional. It really don't look optional. I need somebody. What if she's a missing person? What if she's stuck in a situation that we don't, like, listen, they was keeping our people in debt slavery. They sure were. How do we know? How do we know? Somebody please go check on her. Because no.
She don't even look like she all the way here. She don't look like she here with us. And that death stare that she gave that boy as he recording, and then she did a hand like that a little bit. That girl gave you that stare. And if you don't know that stare your grandma gave you when you was in church. How you not know that? That stare your grandma gave you when she was in church. I gotta go.
Let's really talk about it, because this isn't just about one woman and one dress. This hit a nerve because of Black history. And for centuries, Black women were forced into roles like that. Cooking, cleaning, raising white children, and being treated as less than human. And her dressing didn't just look old-fashioned. It looked like something straight out of the slavery era. And people immediately associated with it the way enslaved women were forced to dress during that time. And that's why it feels so heavy. And you know, this wasn't just some random apron and scarf combo. It was symbolic, whether intended or not. And that's what's bothering people. They're asking, what was the intention? Why dress her like this in 2025? In a time where we are supposed to be moving forward, this feels like going back, way back. And honestly, that's what sparked the most disturbing questions of all. Is slavery still happening in 2025 and we just don't know about it? Because seeing a Black woman in that kind of outfit, quietly taking care of a white child in public, brings up real fears. Are there still systems of control and oppression happening behind closed doors that we've stopped paying attention to? Are people still being made to dress this way in the name of uniforms? Or are we so disconnected from history that people don't even realize what these images mean? And I don't want to hear anyone saying it's just a dress. No, it's not just the dress. It's what the dress represents. Oppression, servitude, trauma. And whether she wore it by choice, out of obligation, or because someone told her to, it's still disturbing to witness. So let's be real. There's no reason anyone should be dressed like that today unless it's for a movie set or historical documentary. So guys, that is what I had to say. Let's talk about this conversation in the comments below. Drop your thoughts. I want to hear from you guys. And if you found this video thought-provoking, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe for more real conversation about what's trending. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.